you happen to have your Cinch It on you, grab one. Grab your Cinch It and create your own style. I love putting Cinch Its all over my tops especially. So just go on the side, anywhere. Just poke it through. Don't worry about where it is. You pull the fabric through on the inside, readjust, and add a little angle to a top. But don't stop there. I'm telling you, the more Cinch Its I wear on my items, the more compliments I get. There's nothing better than having someone say, you look so pretty today, or I love that top. So you can create your own style. No one can find this top anywhere because it's mine. I created it using Cinch It. So if you want to have some fun and you're ready for a little bit of fun energy and just that pop of spring, then go on over to my Cinch It YouTube channel. I'm going to be adding videos every single week. Subscribe, do a thumbs up, and listen, there's no reason why you can't love your style every day and be more confident.